Here is GizmoHub app. So monitor your child's location and get alerts. Call, text, and video your child's Gizmo Watch. Ensure that only trusted contacts call or text. Get notified instantly if SOS is pressed. Track your child's steps and set up reminders. Add buddies so Gizmos can call or text each other. GizmoHub apps you locate, call, and stay in control of your child's wearable device. Speak, exchange messages, and invite trusted contacts to communicate with your child, all while managing their Gizmo Watch, keeping their information safe. GizmoHub lets you monitor your child's location, receive alerts, call, text, and video your child's Gizmo Watch easily. So yeah, here is the app. So that's kind of the idea. The app from Verizon. So this is a legit app, not some scammy Chinese stuff. It has like 13,000 ratings, 4.5 average rating. So it's quite good. And then you can just create an account. So sign in here. And then you just need to proceed.